Hello everyone. Is Revit suddenly slow, freezing, or showing the blue spinning circle again and again? Before blaming your computer, there are a few things inside Revit and the model that you should check first. In this video, I'm going to just I'm going to show you the common cause and the quickest way to identify the problem. So, Revit running slow or freezing, 8 things to check first. Autodesk currently support guidance confirm that slow performance can come from outdated Revit or licensing components, hardware acceleration, window profile issues, and model specific problem such as imported or exploded DWG files. So here you can see the link of the Autodesk and you can clearly check this. The issue, it's already showing that Revit displays slow performance and hang frequently. The causes here you can see it may be caused by one of the following. Window user profile is corrupt. The latest Autodesk desktop licensing service update is not installed and Revit is not updated with the latest version. So point number 1, update Revit first. First, make sure Revit itself is fully updated. You can go and check it from here. Get the Autodesk access and make sure to check here you have any updates and then just go click here and update. If you have list of the updates here in the window showing, so just select one by one and update it. This is one of the simplest check, but it can solve unexpected performance problem. Now check number 2, find out if problem is Revit or only the model. Next, don't immediately just go to the manage tab and start purge the model or cleaning the model to delete all the things. Just open new empty Revit file from here and then check the Revit is opening fast, or if you draw the sum box, if I'll go to 3D and draw something, some 3D object here, and you can see that this this open also faster. If I'll go to plan, it's very quick, but when we are moving to our original project, it seems like it's very slow. So if this is the condition, you can check and compare both, that your model, specific model is getting slow, or the blank file, you open the new file that is running fast and your model is slow. So it means that the problem is not in your system. This is the problem is a specific model base. Okay, point number 3, check imported and exploded CAD. If you are going to check the any plan, there are make sure there are no any imported or exploded files. Here for the reference, I just inserted some link some plans, CAD files here with the plan. You can see level 1 and level 2, and here I have level 5. So here you can see that in the level 5 I have imported. You can see that it's showing the imported symbol. So you can go to visibility and graphic or you can type VG from your keyboard. So you can come to here and then you can check here imported category. You can see one model. So if you have multiple CAD file imported, so it will be listed here, and then you can see the inside in the CAD file there are the layers and other geometry inside your CAD file. It will be listed here. So just avoid importing the CAD file, and once imported, never explode, never use this to explode the file. Once you will explode all the geometry from the your imported CAD file, it will be directly come to inside your Revit. Point number 4, check links and heavy geometry. If the model contains many Revit IFC CAD, point cloud or very detailed family links, upload them and test them the model again. If performance suddenly improves, you have identified where to investigate. Just go to Manage tab and you will see that there are several links here in this project. 6 Revit file, 5 CAD files, 4 PDFs, and many images are here in the model. So if you don't need anything, just try to unload these. How I did, I just unloaded these files. So you can see that these files are unloaded. If you don't need the CAD files also, you can select it and then just click on here to unload this. You can see this, now it's unloaded. Again, if you go to this CAD, imported CAD, you don't have option to unload this. So that's why we have to avoid the import CAD. And so if you have link, you will have more control on this. If you go to unload the Revit, similarly you can just select one Revit file or multiple file. Since I have one loaded file, just I'll go select this one and then I'll click to unload this. And you can see it's giving some message to that. I'll say okay, and then it is unloaded. So once it's unloaded, you can see the Revit will be little bit smaller or heavier, lighter, and it will perform faster. Point number 5, check complex family. So if your model has multiple families, multiple complex family, so you have to investigate that. You have to check. Some families may look simple on a screen but contain extremely detailed geometry. Nested families imported geometry of thousands of lines. If a certain area of category becomes slow, isolate it and test it. So here if you go to architecture tab, I'm trying to just go to make some door. I just add anywhere here, make it, put it here anywhere, just to, if you see this is the door family, I'm going to edit this. Once you will go to the floor plan and reference, you will see the family how it's created. So if something you have, the family has multiple nested things. If I'll go here in the family, you can go and check here inside the family. If you have any other family, that will be called nested, and in one family has multiple families inserted, so that can make the cause to slow the model. So you have to check and make it clean your families and then load to your model. Point number 6, test hardware acceleration. So if I go to 3D view, I'll go to file and then I'll go to click option And here I will go to hardware, and you can see this is the hardware acceleration. Use hardware acceleration. So if Revit is slow and unstable graphically, you have to test this. If performance is changing after closing this, so just use to close this and apply OK. Please be aware only documents open after the change. Video card option will be affected. So there will be some warning, no problem. I changed it and then again check. If the performance is improved, so this is the hardware acceleration problem. And if you go to the Revit, also give the model a specific slow performance in Revit. You can see the issue also highlighted here. User reported that Revit performance is slowing when working on particular model. And the examples also given here to read it, and cause, you can see that there are the possible cause included from the Autodesk, that complex geometry issue, then model contains many imported CAD DWG files and even exploded also highlighting here, and then there are many things highlighted from the Autodesk to just go and check from here. So the solution is also showing that check whether DWG files is imported or exploded. If the link is relink them using CAD link option. So how you can use this one? If you go to manage tab, you can also check. Point number 7, test Revit add-ins. So if you have multiple Revit add-ins in the list here, so try to just check it, and if there is no use for that, then you have to unload this. Add-ins can affect startup time and sometime project performance. So disable them temporarily and test it again before assuming the model itself is damaged. Point number 8, check your Windows profile. If every project is slow, even simple model is also opening and closing slowly. So you have to just firstly identify whether the issue is the application, or this is not the first thing I would check, but it is worth testing after the Revit and model check. So when Revit becomes slow, don't randomly purge or rebuild the project. First, identify whether the issue is the application, the model, the link, CAD imports, families, graphics, or add-ins. That will save much more time. Let me know in the comments what usually causes Revit shutdown in your projects. If this helps, subscribe IBU Learning for more practical Revit and BIM workflows. Thank you.